Hello friends, welcome back to CAD skill tutorial. So let's start with third command in part module, that is shaft. The use of shaft feature is to create the solid component in circular cross sections only. For the shaft feature, we need one profile and central axis. So let's start. Click on start, mechanical design, part design, click on OK. Now I will draw a sketch. Click on position sketch, select this plane, click on OK. To create a 2D sketch, click on profile, select this point and make a profile. Now I am going to make a profile. And close this point. Click on this line, right click here and click on vertical. Now I am giving all the dimension of this profile by double click on constraint. Select this line, double click, change this value by 45, click on OK. Again select this line, double click, change this value by 45, click on OK. Select this line, double click, change this by 150 mm, click on OK. Select this line and this vertical axis and change this value by 60 mm, click on OK. Select this line and this line, change this value by 40 mm, click on OK. Now select this line and this line, click on right, allow symmetry line, select this horizontal axis. Now select this line and this line, change this value by 40 mm, click on OK. Click on exit workbench. This is shaft icon, click on shaft icon. Now you can see here the shaft definition dialog box is open. Here we have first angle and second angle, then profile and then axis. So we select this profile. We can select the axis by two methods. One of the selecting this vertical axis and preview. You can see here our shaft is created by 360 degrees. Now we can change this angle by 220 degree and click on preview. Now you can see here our shaft is created 220 degree from here to this direction anti-clockwise. You can also select the axis from here, right click, x axis, y axis and z axis direction, and you can also create a line for the axis. I am clicking on z axis and preview. Our shaft is created. Now we can see here second angle is given. I am changing this second angle by 50 and click on preview. So you can see here the angle is added in clockwise direction by 50 degree. Now here this thick profile option is given. So I will take another example for this thick of profile. Go to start, mechanical design, part design, click on OK. Click on position sketch icon, select this profile, click on OK and draw one profile. This is my open profile. Click on exit workbench. Click on this sharp command. Select this profile. Right click here. Now we can see here the options create line, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. We know z-axis, so select this z-axis. The selected sketch has to be closed or to be closed by the axis. So close it and click on thick option. I am giving here 2 mm thickness and click on neutral fiber. Click on preview and OK. Now you can see here our thick profile is created. Double click on this profile. I am changing this value by 270 and click on OK. This is all about our sharp command. Thank you.